Hello, you're watching Online Queries, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can turn off the replies on your Instagram stories, or you can turn it on. The reason why you might want to turn it off is because you don't really want replies to be flooding in your inbox on Instagram. So the first thing you would have to do is make sure that you're uploading a story. So when you upload a story, click on add to, and then open up the story. Then click on more, story settings, allow messages reply from people you follow, or you can turn it off. This is a better option if you don't really want any replies. You just turn it off. If it's from people that you follow, you can turn that off, or from everyone. If you have a public Instagram account, you can do that. If you want replies from everybody, just if you don't want any replies, just turn it off. So and then when you do that, it will get saved onto you, and you can stick it as a highlight as well. So now you won't get any replies from everyone. If you want to change it back again, click on more, story settings, and click on everyone or people you follow to allow messages on your story replies. So this is how you can turn on or off message replies for your stories on Instagram. And once they reply, it will be over here in Instagram direct, in DM inbox for your Instagram. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.